Hello, everyone. We're here to talk about the improvements made to Jaspersoft, some of the updates that's been made to Jaspersoft in Clarity 15.9. So in 15.9, there are two specific things that have been improved. The first is based on customer feedback. We've added the new international date format for our customers that are trying to create ad hoc views or ad hoc reports. We have also made a fix to the Jaspersoft domain designer that was impacting our SaaS customers that recently moved to the GCP platform. The new date format is going to be in the format of DDMMMYYY, which is the day, month, and year format. This is a new format that was requested by several of our customers that have users across the globe and couldn't use the existing format that was either US specific or international specific. So having this international date format allows that one ad hoc view to have the same format across the different regions. The same date format is available regardless of the user locale. So that means if I'm in France, I can select this format, or if I'm in US, I can still select the same format. It's standard all across. It does not change based on the user locale. The new date format can be selected from the context menu in the ad hoc view. So you can make a right mouse click on the date field and be able to select the new date format. For our SaaS customers that are in the GCP platform, we have addressed the domain designer issue. This was basically an issue that was found that when we moved the backend database from Oracle to Postgres, there was a case-sensitive issue that was resulting in the domain designer to not work correctly. Essentially, the root cause of it was more related to Oracle was returning in uppercase, and in Postgres, we were returning the database columns and tables in lowercase, and that's just Postgres how it provides it. The detail for this is documented by our support team in the link provided here on the screen. The detailed as well as the workaround is in that knowledge article. Moving in 15.9, we have addressed that domain designer issue where now the users that are in Postgres will be able to open and modify their domains using the domain designer. Again, note this is only for our SaaS customers using Postgres. This does not impact or any change for our Oracle or SQL Server users. The domain designer fixes essentially handles the case mismatch between the JDBC metadata returned by Postgres. The metadata is the table and the column. This will also in turn allow the designer to recognize the columns properly on the table tab of the domain designer. We also fixed the JavaScript issue so that the UI does not keep spinning when it runs into this issue. Essentially, when you open it up in the domain designer, the designer just never returns anymore, or did not used to return. That has been fixed. So now the designer will display the information and you can modify the domains. There is no change in the behavior of the domain designer as part of this fix. And this functionality is available for all databases, but it really never impacted Oracle or SQL Server. No change in the way how the joins or displays are done to the fields and the columns as part of this fix. So with that, we will go into the demo to just see the new date format in Jaspersoft. So I'm going to go into Clarity, and I'm going to go into my instance where I have created an ad hoc view. So this is a simple ad hoc view that is created in Jaspersoft. Essentially, I'm just pulling in the project names with its start and finish dates and some additional information. Now, when I go into my ad hoc view, when I do a right mouse click, I can change the date format and I see the new date format, which is the day, month, and year format that our end users can now select. This will be available to me regardless of my locale.